Now that we've integrated the Biomedx software with the Coalition website, I think I'm going to be able to show you the most exciting thing that you have seen for your practice in a very long time. I'm going to show you how, with the information from your Biomedx software, you will be able to create a website for your clients specific to them and their chemistry literally in about 1 minute. So to set this up, when a client wants to work with me, first I let them know in order for me to assess them, I need them to join my private organization. And here's the website. Go here and register and pay your $20 membership fee per year. So they are already set up before they even walk into my office. And I've been working this way for 3 years now. And I just very matter-of-factly tell them this is how I work, and I've never once had anyone even ask, why do I need to join a private club or give me a hard time about it in any way. It's just how I work, and they just do it. So once they're set up and they come in to be tested, let's first look at the software, and then I'll show you how we put that in here at the site. So in the Biomedx Studio software, you can see here that I put together a case for Stacy. And once you move through putting that all together and you come to this page where it allows you to save it as a PDF or print it or email the case and save it and all those choices, you may have noticed this new choice for export case. So the case is done here for Stacy, so I'm going to show you how to export it for the Coalition. So I just click on this, and then I'll set the name to be saved, and then I just hit save, and it saves it in the file where I save all of my cases. And this can take a minute, so be patient, and you want to wait until you see the confirmation that the case was saved from the software. Once it's done, you'll see this case file exported completed successfully. So I just hit OK, and then I know that file is saved on my computer, and now I can go back to the Coalition site. So now that I've output that file from the software and it's saved to my computer, I'm back here on the Coalition site here, and once I'm in my Manage Clients section of the site, I can go to this Uploaded Test Results section. Here I can hit this Add New button because I'm going to create a new test results upload. So here under the users, I just select the user that I'm working with. So I'm working with Stacy's file here, and I'm in this Biomedx data file because you can also upload manually if you want, but we're doing the Biomedx file with the software. So I just click Browse, and then I just find the file where it is on my computer from where I saved it from the software, and I just select Stacy's file, and now it's in here, and then I just hit save, and now the system will upload that into the website for me, and it could take a minute if it's a big file. Now once the file uploads, it'll bring you to this page here, and you'll see at the very top sentence here that explains that if this is the first time that you're uploading any information for this client or adding any topics or supplement protocols, you can just scroll right down to the bottom of this page and hit submit, and you're all set. You don't have to look through all this information because it's what you just added from the software. But if this is a second test that you're running on a client and you're uploading new information, this system allows you to choose between what you already have on the site for the client and what just was added from the new software upload. So if this is a second test, you can see here for Stacy that it shows that currently on the site this is her supplement protocol, and then here this is from the new data file that you just uploaded from your second test from Stacy. So you can see that it's a different protocol. So here I can choose whether I want to replace the supplement protocol. I can combine the new with the original and have all of them show up on her protocol, or I can leave her protocol as it already was. Same here with the imbalance choices. It lets you choose between what's new and what's already on the site, whether you want to combine them or just add what's the most recent. Same with the recipe choices according to which imbalances showed up and which you've already chosen for them on their test. And also in the section for where should I start that explains how to the steps you can take to improve specific imbalances. Now, this section, Where Should I Start, also includes other topics that you can add, like, beat flow flush and stuff like that. This section only talks about the topics that are imbalance related, like improving an electrolyte deficiency imbalance. So here I can choose again whether I want to replace, keep the same, or leave as it was. And finally, the diet chart, whether the software decided that the person should use diet 1 or diet 2, and it explains here which one was already on there and which just got uploaded. So you can make your selections and then hit submit, and the system will take care of those choices. But again, if this is a first client, you won't have anything on this currently on the site. This will be blank, and when you come to this page, you can just come right down and hit submit, and then all of these changes will show up for Stacy. Now, to see what I just did, I'm going to come over here to the uploaded test results thing section, and I'll pull up Stacy. And now I can see that I have 4 tabs here. And for the data sheet, I can scroll down and I can see her data sheet. And I can read that information if I want to. I can click and enlarge this and make this a bigger file if I want to do that. But I can also look at the supplement protocol that the software created for her. I can look over her preferences and tendencies questions that she filled out in the software. I can see her pre-existing conditions. And the amazing thing for me as a practitioner is if I'm out of town and need to access information on a client, I have it all here. I have every data sheet, every preferences and tendencies survey on every client that I have, and I didn't carry a file cabinet with me on vacation. I just log into my site from wherever I am, and I have every piece of information on every client that I have right there at my fingertips. So that's all really neat, but where it really gets amazing is when I look at what else the software did. So when I go into the section for assign imbalances, where I'm assigning information for Stacy to see, I see that the software already checked off all of the information for an anabolic imbalance, since the software decided she had an anabolic imbalance. It decided it checked off the electrolyte deficiency and the tricarb stuff. So all of that information is already available for her. If I look at the assign supplements section, all of the supplements that were assigned in the software are now on her website. You can see all the doses are in the right place. All the correct supplements are there. If I look at the Where Should I Start section, the software automatically checked off the pages that describe how to improve those imbalances. If I go to her progress charts here, you'll see that the last numbers here were the numbers that were from her test that we just uploaded. So it automatically puts all those numbers in the progress charts as well. Everything is done for you. Now, you still have the ability to add other information for the client and go in and make information specific to that client as well, but a lot of the work is done for you. Now, to show you what it looks like for the client, I'll bring in her website here. And now you can see that under all of her protocol is set up. She can look about her imbalances and find out the information to read about different sections of information for that. Her progress charts already have the readings in them from the test. And look at this, under My Food, if she clicks on My Food chart, the software automatically uploaded the chart that was created by the software so that she can see it right here on her website, that she can log in from wherever she is, anywhere where there's an internet access. Here under Where Should I Start, she can see the information about improving the imbalances that the software indicated that she was dealing with. So even though I have the ability to add more information, just in that 1 minute, Stacy already has a world of knowledge that she never knew was available, and she can look at it from wherever she is. This is really going to change everything. Since I had Stacy register on the site before she even walked into the office, I could literally have this ready for her before she even leaves her first appointment. And that's really setting somebody up to succeed in a big hurry.